fruit of the mighty Pong Pong tree, and the seeds of the fruit are toxic.
Yeah? Could it kill you?
Yeah, good actually. It's very poisonous.
Yeah, White Lotus fans will know the Pong Pong were quite the star of the new season.
The foreshadowing there. The question people have now, though, is the fruit really that dangerous? Well, at the Field Museum, you can get a look for yourself. Kimberly Hansen joins us with more. Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so is it that dangerous?
It is.
Boom.
It is that dangerous.
Yeah, so it comes from a really dangerous family. So most members of this family are poisonous.
Okay.
And this tree in particular has a unique poison in the seeds.
Okay.
And that's what they're referring to because, you know, it doesn't want animals eating its seeds. It wants to reproduce.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, they are very, very poisonous.
They look a little like coconuts. Is that where people might get confused where the danger lies?
Well, so these are dried specimens.
Yeah.
So at some point they kind of had like a little bit of a fleshy outside.
Okay.
One of the common names for a closely related species is sea mango.
Oh.
So when you see them growing on the tree, you know, you may be tempted. You know, But yeah, so once they're dried, they typically grow like around water, even though like we have planted them for their ornamental value because they have really beautiful flowers. But naturally, they'll grow like around water. So this kind of coconutty husk that they have helps them, like coconuts, float in the water and disperse their seeds.
Oh, look at that.
So in the show, they take the seed and mix it up into basically a protein drink in a shaker or in a mixer, and the guy starts, it looks like having a heart attack of some sort or heart problems. Is that what would happen if you did ingest even one seed?
Yeah, so even one seed, just a single seed, can cause death.
Okay.
And even less than one seed, just because they are such strong poisons. And the poison does indeed like affect your heart. The family's well known for its cardiac glycosides.
Okay.
And so yeah, whenever you eat anything poisonous, your body's defense is to get it out of your system.
Yeah.
So yeah, so you're gonna be vomiting. So that is a pretty realistic portrayal. And so yeah, I believe he had, you know, like a small amount.
Yeah.
But yeah, even a small amount is going to make you sick. Yeah.
But now poisonous seeds and plants is not anything unique, correct?
Correct. Yeah. So yeah, they estimate that around like 30% of plants are poisonous. So we have lots of poisonous plants in Illinois. They're all around us. Our milkweed plants are poisonous. They're not going to kill us or anything, but yeah, they don't want to be eaten.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
So the specimens you brought here that we saw in White Lotus, these are all from the Southeast Asia region. What here in the Chicago area? Is there something specific that we need to watch out for?
Well, I think it's more about just not eating unknown
stupid,
plants, you know? So we do have a lot of wild edible plants. We have blueberries, we have strawberries, but it's about like really positively identifying them before you eat anything.
Okay.
And like even using our native medicinal plants, because this species has also been used in like cancer research and other medical research. And a lot of our medicinal plants are poisonous because if they're, you know, like for cancer research, if they're causing cell death, you know, then they're causing cell death. So it's about targeting it. So using medicinal plants, it needs to be very responsible.
Well, and even like milkweed, people have that around because it's good for butterflies and they want more butterflies. Just don't go munch out in your backyard.
Yeah, and don't worry about your pets either. They're smart. You know, they eat a lot of grass. We know, we've seen that. But yeah, they have instincts, you know, so you don't have to be afraid of plants.
Okay.
So have you guys been crazy at the Field Museum ever since this happened?
Yeah, we've been really busy, and it's really exciting that people are excited about plants.
Yeah.
So yeah, they don't get enough attention. And yes, I just want to make a plug. It's Earth Day.
Yes.
Everything's blooming right now. The cherry trees are blooming in Jackson Park, so everybody can go there this weekend and see those. And I just also saw that the red buds are starting, and those are my favorite spring trees just because they're so beautiful. They've got their buds on, so they're about to burst and just be at peak. So.
Yeah, and go by the Field Museum to see the Pong Pong seeds.
Of course, yes. And we have in our plant hall like an actual specimen of it, like a recreation, so you can see like how it would look naturally because of course our specimens are dried and pressed, and so they've lost their color, but you can see like in our plant hall an exhibit of the Pong Pong tree.
Kimberly, that is so cool. Thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it. For more information, just head to fieldmuseum.org or of course find them on the socials.